Ricky,
This is
where's
my
Bella?
friend.
Where's Bella?
Girl, you can't stand up. Take it
Look
easy.
here.
That's how she tried.
Look here. Oh, watch her. Watch her. Look it. Oh my God, you're gorgeous. Ricky. Ricky.
Oh, y'all little commercial.
Oh my goodness. Look at those little shoes.
Look at that bulging bite, the tricep.
Ricky. Hi. Get that finger out of there.
She's like, don't mind if I do.
Bella.
Go get her. Go get her. He's like, no, I'm in my church clothes, okay?
Right. I only play rough in my play clothes.
It's like, I can't get these dirty. You are gorgeous.
Yep.
Where you going, drunk girl? What are you doing? She's like, I can't crawl in this dress.
Where are you going? Go stand up.
You can stand
him
up.
Jordan. See if he'll come to me.
Hey, man. No?
Ricky. Ricky. Ricky.
You stuck?
Ricky. Stand up.